Hey everybody, it's John the phone guy here, and we've got a battery change. And this is an Invicta Angel model number. Sorry. There we go. Whew. Okay, that's a whole lot of moving around. Alright, let's try not to do that again. 11769. I looked online and I could not find what battery this is, so this may be a semi two-part video in that I'm going to get this thing open and then find out what we really got going on here. So as always, just pop out the micro adjuster and go. Alright. This guy off, and let's see what we got here. Whoa. So we have, here we go, an SR920SW. Okay, well, now that I know that, I'm going to pause and we'll start this right back up when I get a battery. Be right back. And we're back. So 920 is the 371 SR920SW. Yes, it is an Energizer because I had some older batteries laying around, and to tell you the truth, I didn't want to just toss them out. So we will deal with using an Energizer versus a Renata. All new batteries that I order, I do order Renatas. So, and this one's pretty simple. Just kind of pressure fit in. There we go. We'll deal with him in a second. And we have movement. Okay. So as you can see, right up here, that notch, try to find a piece of plastic, and there's a little indentation right there. So we're going to just fit him right there. He's going to go right over the top, just like that. Now I'm going to kind of come to the side here so that I can see what I'm doing. Make sure that you guys are seeing what I'm doing too. So I'm just going to get the gasket back in there. Now what I've done, I've tried this a couple different ways. So now I've got a little Q-tip that I've kind of cut the end off one side to make it sort of like a spatula. Let me do this. Just gonna run some silica into the channel. Doesn't take a lot. This is probably even more than what I need. them seated in there. Just run a light film. There we go. Not that it matters, but that's what I use. Got it off the internet, off Amazon specifically. We should be safe. It's gonna go nice and easy until we start getting a little snug. And then I'm gonna try and hold this so you can see, but basically I'm holding onto the lugs here and here for counter pressure. Just ever so slightly, just a little bit of pressure just to kind of ease the seal in. Okay. Get all that wiped off. Sure, my wife would not like to put this on her wrist with a bunch of silicone all over it, so give it a good once over. Alright, that looks okay to me. So let's throw this guy back in here. Sorry. We're set there. Okay. This is just the fastest way I've found to get your day of the week over here. Today is Sunday, so we'll just run this guy out. Go Saturday. Alright, there's Sunday, and we are now $3.19. Okay, and the day of the week, we are, oh, I don't remember. I honestly can't remember. I'll figure it out. Close enough. So we'll just leave it at that. And there we go. So the Invicta Angel 11769 takes an SR, SR 920 SW or 371, whichever way you want to look at it. And there we have it. All right. Have a good one, everyone. And I'll see you on the next one.